What's good, YouTube? As your man BG Tech Life, and today got my Pixel 6 Pro on the desk, guys, and we got something big going on over at Android. We got the official, the stable Android 13, no beta. I've been on beta for a while. You know, I was testing the Android 13 beta 4, but I'm glad now we can have a conversation about an actual stable build that's going on with the Pixels. That, you know, I'm not just bragging on the beta. Everybody gets to see and feel the goodness of this Android 13 and see what I'm talking about. So let me go ahead and get my device unlocked, guys. Now, this video, I'm not really going over every little change because there are a lot of little aesthetic changes going on. But to me, this build is all about stability, guys. Stability and just fine-tuning of Android 12. Just a refreshing deal when it comes to how buggy Android 12 started off and now how good Android 13 is. I'm just glad that they spent time refining things instead of just trying to add new stuff. Sometimes adding new stuff is not always the answer. Sometimes it's about optimizing what you have, and I feel like that's what Android has done. Well, Android 13 is running really good on my Pixel 6 Pro. The beta was running really good. The only thing I will say about this Android 13, this stable official Android 13, it feels like the fingerprint scanner has actually gotten faster and it's less in the animation. It doesn't feel like there's so much animation involved with the fingerprint scanner, and it feels like it's reading faster, guys. Let's do a little small on-camera fingerprint test. Now, mind you, I'm behind the camera, guys, so don't, you know, I am behind the camera, so it might be some followers, but let's just take a look and see how fast I can get it to go. That was kind of slow, but like I said, I'm behind the camera, but look at this. Okay, we're gonna touch it, off. All right, touch it, off. Oh, now it's locked up on me. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Now it's just my flow's a little bit off because I'm behind the camera. Let me try to get my angle exactly right. See how fast that was? This is exactly what I'm talking about, guys. You see how I could never do this before. Just touch it and let it go. Touch, boom. That's pretty fast. You see what I'm talking about? It's a difference, guys. I'm messing up, but I'm behind the camera, but you can actually see what I'm talking about, how I'm just dropping my thumb and the thing is unlocking. So definitely a more stable, just less buggy version of Android 12. That's really all Android 13 is. A little jazzed up, a couple probably small little changes in the widget, like the YouTube music widget, things of that nature, but just very stable and getting ready for the Pixel 7 Pro. This is all about the launch of the Pixel 7 Pro, and if you want this, if you want to update your Pixel and you're not sure how to update it, and we're gonna go to system. Gonna go to system. As you can see, I'm updated to Android 13, and you go to check. But really, guys, I came from the beta, so I had to side load. I side loaded this and started over and like kind of reset my phone. And if you wonder why my at a glance is up here, I'm on actually Nova Launcher. I just like some of the customization that you can do with Nova Launcher. Just like my my app drawer and things of that nature. I like certain little things, but just you can still feel the fluidness, and you can feel the refined and optimizedness of this Android 13 no matter what you're doing. But this is definitely dope, guys. I'm definitely feeling this. They made a problem device one of the best devices on the market. Like, this is the best Android experience on the market, period. Google, and that's where Google should be and should always be. They, you know, Android and Google should always get together and make a phone that has the best experience of Android, and it should be something that rivals the iPhone, because at the end of the day, it should be about, Google should always be trying to make this as fluid as possible, as just smooth as possible, and it's very smooth right now, and it's really rivaling iPhones for that simplicity and that optimizing. And then if they get the ecosystem right, it's definitely gonna be some trouble. But yeah, this is your man BG Tech Life. This is just me sharing my thoughts with the Android 13 official, the launch of the official Android 13 with y'all. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. If you're not following me, follow me on Instagram, and you can also follow me on Twitter, BG_Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.